Kapit tayo na kapag naulit.
Traffic. The candidates for graduation under the College of Engineering, Alangilan. Bachelor of Science in Petroleum Engineering. Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering. Bachelor of Science in Transportation Systems Engineering, Pioneer Batch. Bachelor of Science in Naval Architecture and Marine Engineering, Pioneer Batch. Bachelor of Science in Metallurgical Engineering, Pioneer Batch. Bachelor of Science in Geological Engineering, Pioneer Batch. Bachelor of Science in Geodetic Engineering, Pioneer Batch.
Confirm your graduates with the rights, honors, privileges, and obligations appertaining thereto. Congratulations.
May we once again
Bea S. Cum laude. And Sarah Maria Joy.
Badong Althea Josephine C. Carion Asel V. Ceres Kayla Rosel A. Daniel Cristel Kayla A. Mendoza Ivan John M. Parado Jerome Patrick I. Outstanding. Pastor Simon Joshua Y. Ramos Brian L. Ruben.
To my fellow graduates, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. With wholehearted gratitude, I pledge loyalty to the Batangas State University, the National Engineering University, that grants me the honor, rights and privileges attached to my graduation. I further pledge that I will sustain its corporate vision to the best of my ability and intention, and be proud of it. I will remain loyal to everything that the university stands for and to the ideals it upholds. Finally, I pledge to maintain the dignity that every graduate of Batangas State University, the National Engineering University, holds up high with pride and humility. So help me God.
grateful for your presence, Ms. Aisel Joy S. Malibiran. Graduates, please remain standing. The President of Federation of Alumni Associations of Batangas State University, Engineer Amando A. Plata, will now lead the graduates in the alumni oath taking.
Graduates, congratulations again. Parents, congratulations. Para po sa mga graduates, yung hawak niyong certificate, yan po ay investment ng inyong mga magulang. In the near future, kinakailangan may tubo, may kita para sa mga magulang. Mga magulang, tama ako? Ating palakpakan ang ating mga magulang. Okay, so, yung spirit kanina si Senator Bamakino, mayroon siyang quote o hugot, ang sabi doon, no fear, have faith. Ulitin ko, no fear, have faith in pursuing your dreams. So, by faith, ang ibig sabihin, magtiwala tayo sa ating Panginoon. At yung inyong dreams 120% matutupad yan. Sino naniniwala daw? Kaya, graduates, go confidently in the direction of your dreams. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So, again, ang ganda ng plano ng Diyos sa inyo. Ako'y mag-iwan isang verse sa inyo, and I quote, sa Jeremiah 29 verse 11, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans for welfare and not for evil, to give you future and hope." This verse is often interpreted as a message of hope and assurance in the
Paano nga isusuli nyo? Toga.
Ano? Sorry na. Meron pa ano. Nasa ulit ang toga.